If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Xbox Series X, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can test your connection through the Xbox settings under Network Settings. If your speed is low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. For most stable connection, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. Connect your Xbox Series X directly to your router using an Ethernet cable, which can significantly reduce lag and improve performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. Press the Xbox button, navigate to My Games and Apps, and close any unnecessary applications. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Go to the Xbox settings and navigate to Network Settings. From there, select Advanced Settings and ensure that your NAT type is set to open. If it's not, follow the instructions to configure your router settings accordingly. Step 5. Update system software. Regularly check for system updates on your Xbox Series X. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. Keeping your console updated can fix bugs and improve performance, potentially reducing lag spikes. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience on the Xbox Series X. Enjoy your gaming.